I'm Steve, welcome to my YouTube channel. Currently I'm working on more of projects in the shop, but later I'll be doing projects for in the house and that type of thing. I'm building a workbench, and a lot of the stuff is new to me. I'm not expert at this, but I'm hoping some of the tips I can share, the things I do learn, would help. Also, maybe some of the things you see that I've done that you want to also do, or maybe not do, depending on what they are. One of the things I want to concentrate on my projects is very high quality projects. I'm going to be very patient, and if I have to redo something, I'll redo it. I want to try to have projects that are just really super nice. I haven't always done that in the past, and you look back on projects and it's like, oh shoot, that wasn't as good as it could have been. So I don't want to do that anymore, and I made a clock in 2011 that came out super nice. I'll have a link to that right at the end. And I just want all my projects to be like that in the future. So I think that'll make it a lot more fun, a lot more something to be proud of. If you find that interesting, please subscribe.